Hello and welcome back to Jack the Travel. This is a little bit of a different video today because I'm very excited. I just got a package in the mail, so I am going to do an unboxing video, which is something I don't normally do, but because I'm so excited, I'm going to show you what I got. So the whole goal, and I want to just start this by saying no judgment. People pack in different ways, and I'm totally cool if you want to bring 8 suitcases and check them all, and that's great. Good for you. I'm trying to pack less. And it's not just because I am trying to pack less, which I am trying to do, but it's also because I'm sick of rolling stuff around. So it's really more laziness than anything. So what I did, I talked my boyfriend into let's do these backpacks and see if we can do it. So we do have a big trip coming up. We're going to Japan next month, but we have a little trip coming up next weekend. So we're gonna test it there to see if it's something we even want to try to do. We're going to try to just do a backpack each, big backpack, organized backpack, but still backpack, to see if it's something that we can do when we go on a big international trip. So, Cotopaxi, very excited about this. They targeted me online, and all I wanted to do was watch their videos all the time. So you know what, I decided to do it. I found that I went to REI, I checked out the backpack because they did have one there. It wasn't in the color I wanted. And if you go to their website and you haven't purchased anything there before, there's a 20% off coupon. So I figured, you know what, why not? I am not sponsored on this in any way. I'm just excited to try these backpacks. So I bought 2. Here's how the box came. Got delivered today. I ordered it, I want to say Sunday, and today's Friday, so not too bad. I didn't pay extra for shipping or anything. So, 2 bags. This is the 35L Allpa. I let Eric choose his own color, and then I chose mine, so I'm gonna not open his. His is this green one though. So here's the front, green. It's about this big. Here is the back, I got the blue one. Again, we're not 100% sure we're gonna keep these, but I am excited at the possibilities. Again, mostly because I'm just sick of rolling stuff around on cobblestones all the time. All right. Yeah. Oh, made my hair all staticky. All right, so when I first open it, they do come in a bunch of different colors. They have brighter ones and they have less bright ones. So they do just have an all black one, which normally I would get all black, but it just felt right for me for some reason. So front, there we go. Back, we have this thing in here. Nice solid straps. It is all tied together right now, but we're gonna open that. Looks like this is a strap, I believe. What is this? Okay, so this strap is to go around your body. So here's the straps here, still tied together. How do we untie this? Oh, it's just wrapped around, that's all. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Oh, nice little handle here if you want to use that as a handle. All right, so what we have here is we have a couple different pockets. We have the back pocket. So if you look here, you know, I'm gonna move the camera just a little bit so you can see just a little bit better. All right, you can't see my head as well, and I am in a dress, but we're gonna do this anyway. Okay, so here's the bag. So 2 pockets here at the top. Well, there's 3 if you count this little one, but I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so the back pocket, actually I'm gonna start at the front because it looks like the back pocket's the most important. Okay, so the front, we have a pocket here. It's pretty shallow, it only goes to about here. So this is just probably for your phone, some small stuff. You have this middle pocket, which goes a little bit further down, goes to about here, and just a few things. So here's a back pocket, and then that's it. Just basically a big pocket with one little back pocket, so you can put stuff in there. This would be where I'd put all your suitcase stuff or all your airplane stuff. So like your iPad, maybe your book, your, you know, anything that you want in the airplane. I think that would be great for, because then you can just reach it whenever you want. Okay, and this little pocket, little key ring here. Very nice. Very nice. I did say I went to REI to look at this, but I actually wasn't, I didn't go through it this thoroughly, so this is kind of cool to see. Uh-oh, I break the zipper already. Down. Oh, there we go. I think I don't know what I was doing. Okay. Oh, this doesn't go all the way down. Okay, so here's what it is. So this goes all the way across. That's what it is. And so here's the inside. So basically you have a little pocket here, a pretty big pocket. So I would say like maybe toiletries, underwear, socks, things like that, and then your clothes. So if you look at how big this is, again, I don't know how big this is actually going to end up being in the scheme of, you know, how much I want to pack. But first glimpse here, I mean, this is pretty deep. This is probably 5 inches deep. So not bad, not bad. I will show you what I do when I pack it, but I just wanted to show you to start out with. So it opens up and then it closes up and then you wear it on your back. So again, this is my dream. This is my dream to bring only this on a trip, but we're gonna see if it works or not because you never know. I've been trying to wear stuff like merino wool so that it is wrinkle free all the time. It gets rid of smells, things like that. And then you don't need to bring as much on a trip. And again, this is my dream. This doesn't have to be your dream. You do you. This is the brand though. And we'll see. I don't know if I'm ready for it, but we'll see. I'm gonna show you also what it looks like on my back, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I try to pack for a weekend trip. So get ready for that. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my back. This is how big it is, right? It goes like here to up here. So this is kind of the medium one. There is one larger. The one smaller doesn't open like, the one smaller doesn't open like a book. So it just is a backpack. So if you want to go smaller but open like a book, I don't think this brand has that. But they do have a larger one, a 50 liter. So this is the 35 liter. Also, it does have, for, you know, if you get really heavy, it does have these things too for you. So you can snap this here. Obviously you can tighten this and do all that. So yeah, I am excited at the possibilities. This is a really quality bag. It's sustainable because it's all recycled. And then there is a thriving buy-sell trade group. So when you're done with it, you can get some of your money back at least. So very excited for this Cotopaxi 35 liter Allpa backpack. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when I actually use it. All right, this is part 2 of my Cotopaxi Allpa 35L video. And I just wanted to show you, this is not a packing video of what I'm bringing. This is more to show you what is being held inside these backpacks. So I'm not gonna show you what I packed. We are headed on an international trip in a couple weeks and I'll show you what I packed there. But we're going on a 2-day trip this weekend and this is our backpack test to see how these backpacks work and hold up and what we can put in them. So this right here is a lot more than I would bring on a 2-day trip. Normally I just bring like 1 change of clothes and 1 pair of PJs and that's it. But I'm bringing a lot because we're testing things out this time. So this is my backpack, still so pretty. I did want to show you too, last time I walked you through the backpack, I totally forgot to show you this pocket right here, which this pocket, I just totally missed it, which is good, I guess, for thieves, right? That they miss it, is actually a iPad and computer backpack. So normally I wouldn't bring a backpack or a computer on a 2-day trip, but I'm going to. So it goes in the back, which is nice against your back. I had a similar backpack like this one time I ordered on Amazon, and the computer went in the front. And it was so heavy, it felt like you were being weighed down. So you want it as close to your back as possible. It's completely padded here. It's padded here and it's padded here. So it has plenty of protection for your computer and it's a huge space. So I missed that last time, so I wanted to show you. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna open up the correct, well, first of all, so we have this little pocket up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put some of the things I need for the trip. So brush, lip gloss, actually I'm gonna put those in the front. Brush, lip gloss, sunglasses, right? So these are things I might just need to reach at any given point. I might put Tylenol in there too, because I generally always need Tylenol at some point. Okay, so now we're gonna open it up and just kind of show you if I can find the zipper. Okay. So open it up here. Maybe not put it on top of everything. Okay, so in this top pocket here, actually I'm gonna use this to kind of boost this up so you can see. So in this top pocket, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my makeup in there. Actually, I'm actually gonna put my toiletries. I put toiletries in 2 different bags just because I like to have my dry stuff and my wet stuff might not even fit because I have a lot of air in there. You know, maybe I will put my makeup in there instead. I actually have not packed this at all. You're watching me do this for the very first time. Okay, there, and then toiletries will go in here. And I will tell you that if you bring another pair of shoes, this is where I would put your shoes as well. I only bring one pair of shoes, especially because it's a one-day trip. I'm just gonna bring my tennis shoes. So in there, also I'm gonna put my laundry bag. I always recommend bringing a laundry bag. Let's see if this will fit in there also. Curling iron. Okay, so you see that? So then I have this big pocket here. We're gonna see if it works as well as they say. So what I have one packing cube full of tops and dresses. So I have probably 4 tank tops, 2 dresses, or 3 dresses, something like that. So like I said, this is a 2-day trip, but I'm really trying to push this to the limit to see like what I would be packing on a longer trip. Then I have under things. So what this is going to be is like underwear, socks, any sort of PJs are also going to be in here. Actually, I'm going to put that in last. And then this is going to be bottoms. So leggings, shorts, any sort of skirts that I might be wearing over the weekend. So the reason I wanted to put this one in last is because this will fit anywhere, right? This is smaller, and so, I mean, I have so much room left. I know that maybe I didn't pack enough for like a week or 2 week long trip here. I probably have 2 pairs of shorts, 3 pairs of leggings, a pair of pants in there. So I have probably 7 outfits. And then I just want to show you kind of how it closes. Make sure these are all zipped up. I mean, easily zips, right? It's not even a question. I also didn't even put anything in this top one. I might actually put my makeup in here just in case I need it at some point up the road. This weekend's not going to be a problem. We're driving 3 hours away. It's not far. So you see this here. This is how full it looks with all of that stuff. So I could easily probably do a week just with what I have in here. Might bring maybe another pair of PJs or 2, but you can see that. So I'll show you what it looks like also with me standing up too. But in terms of the heaviness of it, I would say maybe, actually I'm gonna go weigh it because I actually have no idea, but I will let you know what I think about that. Okay, so here's the backpack. You can see it here. I did actually weigh it, and it's just on my bathroom scale, so obviously take it with a little bit of a grain of salt, but it was about 13.5 pounds. So it feels pretty heavy when I just lift it up, but when I put it on my back, it feels like nothing. I mean, it feels like I'm not wearing anything, but that can also change, obviously, if you're walking around with this on your back for a while. The other option is you do have this. So here's a little strap that you can kind of carry it by. You also have a strap here. You can carry it if you feel like it, or obviously you can carry it on top also. So a lot of options. But yeah, I will also do a packing video coming up in a couple weeks. We're going to Japan for 8 days. So you'll kind of see what I can do with packing into just a backpack in 8 days.